Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we repost a post on Instagram by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Instagram application, and now we can just go into the home and explore which content that we want to upload or repost into our Instagram. And we just need to scrolling down and find out the content that we want to share into our Instagram. Okay, keep searching. Okay, I think it's quite good to repost. So after you find one content to repost, just please take a look on this three button and just need to click this a plain symbol, and then after that you can just go add into your story. You can also add some caption here. Let's say cute, choose the font, adjusting the size. Oh wait, cute. Okay, and then you can adjusting the size to make it bigger so that people can see what we write here. And also we also can change the colors of the typewriting. And now just click done after we finish and just relocated this into the upper side like that. And after we finish, we just need to click add into your story and hold on. And now let's check, does the content already appear in our story? Okay, and now it's already reposted on our story. And that's all the way how you do a repost on your Instagram. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.